All right, well, I blew my clutch up completely. So me and Mario here are about to take this thing off and assess the damage. Here we go. Of course, Maddie's truck is in the fucking way.
I'll let you push it up all by yourself.
Yeah. First up, always, before you start wrenching, shot some good old fucking whiskey. Cheers, boys. Next up, 5/16. She's an oily one. My bike is a leaky little girl. Next up, T27s. I got 5 T27 bolts on this derby cover. Hold it, make sure to hold it on loud when you'll lose your cover, dude. All right. This one's different for everyone's bike. Everyone's got a different thing, but mine's 1/4 inch. All right. Make sure to always save this little spacer goes on the outside of your primary cover. All right, next, 5/8 wrench. Lefty loosey, boys. It's like your mom. Sorry, mom's a saint, I know. Take out that fine little butt plug of hers. Give it a little inspection here, and we can see I got some material right here there, boys. Give her a fatty little drain. Stoner, dude.
What do you like to do again? What was that?
I like to give the girl a little willy dilly. And it's gonna puke, especially once you take off these bolts. There's always fluid that's left up here, so be prepared for a messy gig.
Smells nice.
What I do, because I don't have one of those fancy Harley Davidson ones, I just grab some tinfoil out of the kitchen, ramp it up, clamp it up to here somewhere. Because once you pop this bad bitch off,
it's gonna be fucking
it's full
leaker.
tilt. Full tilt.
All right.
Now you see how much longer that is in these right here? These, I think it's the front 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, front 4 are long dicks, Larry's, like young Chase Crab. Look at that, catches it all like a fucking glove. Straight man in the outfield.
That was a great idea.
These dowel pins, don't lose these dowel pins. Culprit found. Now the only question is, where is that piece?
That one's cracked right there too.
Oh yeah.
Oh bro, I hope your crank ain't fucking out of whack. This guy's worried about a gasket and he's got this thing lodged in over here.
Now you want to take a shot with me for Breaker Boys? Okay, whatever. All right, so these are 1/2 inch. Take this chain tensioner off. It's a beautiful little thing right here. Shot break. Once you get into the basket, don't forget to take your fucking second shot, okay? There's circlip dikes. Right, is that what they're called?
Got it. He's got it.
Boom, son. Okay. Then this thing will pull right out, just like so. And then you get right to the nut. Next up here, we got 1.25 inch.
Okay, wait. Stop. Stop for a second. Forgot that nut goes back as a backwards nut.
Oh, you fucking douche, dude. Round 2. 1.25 inch takes that fucking reverse threaded bolt or nut right the fuck off. That fucker's heavy, bud. Mario, I need the bolt or I need the socket, dude. Come on. Using a 21, usually calls for a 3/4, I believe, right? But we don't have that right here, so we're using 21. We're running out of air there, bud.
Got her.
Try not to lose all this stuff, you know what I'm saying?
And he wonders why his primary cover's leaking.
God damn, son! Half of it. Oh, shit. All right, now we need to figure out my crank's bent. We had chunks kind of stuck in there. Looks good. Right? Your pressure plate, straight up Screaming Eagles, bud.
Oh, Screaming Eagles, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't do the expensive shit. I went for the cheap shit. Works good though.
Yeah.
So, found the culprit. Broken stock Harley basket. Ordered me some Barnett baskets and Barnett hub. Hopefully it comes pressed together. If it doesn't, I'll make Mario do it. And yeah, so until tomorrow night, peace and ass grease. So, pulled the basket off. This is what I'm wearing. Hello. You got these rivets, like these right here. And I'm reusing this entire ring gear. So I came in from the other side because I got a new basket, Trask Performance basket and hub. So I'm just kind of going in here and hitting them with the grinder and then hole punching them out. So after you grind it down, you can kind of see right there where that punch is. Now I just need to hit it out. Box. And you hit it out. And you do it for the rest of them. And that's it for that. Once you get all those holes drilled out, just kind of tap it out. You got your little ring gear and gear setup, and then you bolt that onto the new hub. I reuse these circlips out of my old hub. This big one is gonna go in here, and then this small one's gonna go around here. It locks the hub, the circlip that locks the hub in. First one I'll do is the big one. Got that one in nice. Go on there, just like that. Got this circlip in there, and then this one in there. Next up, take this ring gear with all the chain drive on it, line it up with the holes on this new hub. So once you get these lined up, you take the bolts, red Loctite, and it's 28 foot-pounds of torque. All right, so I forgot to film this, but I put these bolts in through the locking tabs. You can see these got these little locking tabs on them, 28 foot-pounds. That secures the ring gear to the hub. And then now we'll throw the clutch plates in, and it's basically the same way as you took them out. But start with friction, steel, friction, steel, friction, steel, and all the way with same thing, repetitive. These are already soaked, so you're pretty much good to go on that. So if you didn't soak your plates already in primary oil, soak just your friction plates, these plates right here, just soak those, not your steels, for about 10 minutes. Next, we do our pressure plate, index it with the divot pointing up. Then you do your spring plate, just like so, fits in there all groovy. And then this is your retaining plate. All right, so these ones, you do a crisscross pattern, 110 inch-pounds. Just make sure to do a crisscross so that way you don't bend your plate or anything, have any weird tension somewhere. So once you have that done, now it's ready to get onto the bike. A little hit them on there real good, like so. And then now's the reverse threaded nut. For the rear one, you've got this reverse threaded one. Definitely want to use some red Loctite on that. And I believe it's 75 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Just a little trick Mario's got to compress your chain tensioner. Just put a zip tie around it, and then you just go in and snip your zip tie, pull it through, and you're tensioned. Don't forget this little gasket right here for your shift stem or whatever you would call it. Mario, what's the Harley mechanic way of torquing these bad boys?
Fucking up, down, pattern, 1, 2, starting in the middle, go forward, then go to the back, up, down. I think it's like, I want to say 125, 110 to 130, something like that.
That was quite the little spectrum you had there. Next, after you get that on, slide your clutch adjuster. Once you get that adjuster in there, throw the circlip in. It'll be locked in there pretty.
I'm basically like lightly seating it and then backing it off a full turn, but then going a quarter, so it's actually 3/4 of a turn.
Okay, perfect. Final key to the puzzle.
Check out his forehead, by the way.
Yeah, fucking thanks, Sturgis. You basically just want it to go to the bottom of the clutch plate, so they're just like dipping in. Do not forget to put your drain plug in there, boys. Done that before. And these are just good old farmer torque. You're fucking done, son. Ready for some fucking wheelies. Honestly, you should probably put your shifter on before you do that, just to give you more room, but the Breaker Boys, we don't do it the right way, we just do it the way that gets it done. That's it, Breaker Boys Garage. Thank you so much. If you blow your basket up, check out this video. Peace.